What's up, y'all? I'm just back at y'all. I'm messing with this gimbal again, trying to get used to it. Y'all stay there. And just out here with the dogs, doing what I do, trying to get some good shots and all that. I've been really in my studies a lot, and I'm coming along. Posted a couple of videos, but I'm gonna put some more up. I did some recording, and I want y'all to tell me what y'all think about the results, like what it looks like to you guys. Is this a better? Do this look like a better filming experience? Because I'm upgrading, y'all, and when I start putting out this content, I really want it to look good for y'all. It really makes a difference to me for y'all to get the best of everything when y'all dealing with me and my channel and the content that I'm posting out here. So I'm out here doing my thing. I got the Zhiyun Crane Plus gimbal with the A7R II Sony camera, and I got I want to show y'all this. The mic that I'm using is the wireless mic. This is a lav mic. Hey. Y'all see what I'm saying? So I can clip this on pretty much anything, and I can walk with it like this. How that sound to y'all? Is that better? So I think sound is a big deal. And I just want y'all to know that I ain't out here playing. I'm not gonna be recording with no phone and all that, because I want hundreds of thousands of subscribers. I want millions of subscribers. I want y'all to pay attention to what's going on out here, because it's more than just about having fun. When you have a voice and you got millions of people, I follow other YouTube channels that have millions of people following them, and they don't really talk about nothing significant. I'm not mad. Hey, you got millions of subscribers for a reason. But if you have that kind of following, you should really take advantage of that and try to teach people something. So give me a minute. Let me chase after my dogs for a minute, and I'll be right back. All I gotta do is hit this 3 times. So check this out. I wanted to show y'all something, because it's kind of nice having a gimbal with this little selfie mode. Destiny, do not go far. So I'm in selfie mode right now, and then if I want to swing the camera around, I just do this. How y'all like that? If I needed to come back to me, I kind of like that. That's clean. So I can get different shots and different things, and keep that video nice and smooth for y'all. And the only way you get that is upgrading. So I'm upgrading. I only got 75 viewers. I only got 75 subscribers right now, but I plan on getting more. I'm gonna put out more content. I'm really concentrating on changing my career. Don't go too far, And so I need y'all to get in the comments. I need y'all to let me know what this looked like to y'all. I'm looking at a couple of fingerprints on my lens, so I'm gonna clean that off right quick, and I'll be right back at y'all. So I'm gonna be going around the corner in a little while to get an update on the 86 Mustang, and I need to take my truck to get the exhaust looked at, because it has the exhaust kind of rattles a little bit. I don't think it's anything major or nothing like that. It's just, I think there's something loose or something under there that when it's idling, you can kind of hear it rattling under there. I'll walk back over there and go check it out and let y'all kind of see what's going on. And then I'm gonna head over to to the exhaust shot. Get over here. Get over here. Don't keep playing with me. Go. You gonna go in the house. So I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna let y'all hear the truck exhaust, and then I'm gonna go get it fixed. All right. I'll see y'all in a minute. So we at the muffler shop, and there is some looseness up under here. Look like it just kind of came loose, huh?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it just kind of started out of nowhere. I mean, I ain't even really put no miles on this truck, but
Right? Here we have an issue.
can y'all see that? Y'all see how that's moving up in there? That bracket is real loose. So that's where that vibration been coming from. It's just annoying me. So figured I'd get over here and take a look at this before it becomes a serious problem. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. At least now I see what's going on.
What you doing?
You see the bracket right there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guy.
Yeah, that vibration was it was getting to me. And it don't do it all the time, but yeah, I stick my foot here, put my foot on it, it stops.
Yeah.
So I was like, let me get up under here and see what's going on. So y'all can see, I'm over here at Mitchell Muffler in Modesto. These guys take care of me. Y'all gotta check this out. Make sure y'all come do business. I always like to do business locally. And these guys really take care of me. Their prices are really, really reasonable. So make sure y'all check them out, come support them. You know, it's always good to support the local businesses, so I like to profile whoever do work for me and whoever's fair. And it's one thing to be low on price, but if your quality is low, and your prices are low, then that's no deal. But if your quality is high and your prices are fair, that's a deal, and that's what I like to see. So, got the F350 in the air. They finna tighten it down for me. That's gonna stop all my little stuff, and I'm gonna be happy again. Oh yeah, I like it. I like it. You know, them little rattles and sounds and all that, that stuff just gets, it's like I got OCD when it come to that. I like it. Yes, indeed. I don't get to get under here too much. So I will see y'all in a minute. Don't forget, Mitchell Muffler. Come support them.
Yeah, we can tell you a couple of those clams on
One-stop exhaust shop.
That's what I'm
We'll
talking
hear you
about.
coming.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got to get you saying that. Hold on. Yeah, I like that.
No muff too tough. No.
Let's see. So what's up, y'all? I'm back in the truck. So basically, it was just a loose bolt on the bracket that holds the exhaust up. I know y'all seen that. And they put it in the air for me and tighten it down. That's all that was needed. So I can appreciate them doing that for me. They didn't charge me a dime. And you know, most of you would say, you know, man, they would have did it for me for free too. But there's a lot of shops out there that, you know, they'll charge you that half hour or that hour labor, you know, just because you came in there to get work done. And I'm more than willing to pay whenever I get work done. So that's why I mess with them. And not only because they would, you know, potentially give me something for free, but because they take care of me. Like, even when they charge me, it's not that expensive, you know. And you would think that, especially on a day like this when it's not busy, you know, you can use the money, you know, anytime you open your door. So when they do stuff like that, I really appreciate it, man. And I just want y'all to know, Modesto, Mitchell Muffler, y'all come over there, check them out, man. They do custom exhaust. They got all the tips. They got all the stuff. They do work fast. I know one time I went over there, I had two Mustangs, and I wanted to swap the exhaust on both Mustangs, full exhaust, both cars. And they swapped everything from the headers back on both cars. They took one out and put it in another car and put it in another car. And man, for all that work, they charged me $80. I mean, I was speechless. I thought he was playing. I thought he was saying $80 per car, you know, which to me still seemed like it would have been an okay price, but $80 for the whole job. How could you argue with that? Like, why would you not come back? And I never had problems with the work. The welding is good, everything. So I just want to give a shout out to Mitchell Muffler, man. I appreciate y'all, and y'all know I'm coming back, and I'm gonna send people over there. All right, see y'all in a minute.